There we go. We got some ice. And we're here waiting for the guys at the land sale place. Oh, they went inside. And there's a bank. Christian Realty. And we got a gas station down the street. Hey, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. And I got my husband Cory here. And he's going to do a little YouTube takeover.
Yeah, hey, good morning, guys. It's about 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time on February the 13th, Saturday, 2021. We are in Hamilton, Texas. If you don't know where that is, it's right smack in the middle of Texas, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from Waco. It's about almost 2 hours northwest of Austin. Anyways, we are here taking a look at some land sale that they have going on. There's a gated community with some plots that are 10 acres each, and we're taking a look. So follow us and see what the land looks like, and hopefully it's something good.
Did you mention how cold it is here?
It is 23 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold. So we'll take you around.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm walking, but there's some goats on the property, and they have an ag exemption here because they let the goats and cows roam freely on your property. Cloudy day and cold, but look at the views. We saw the property. What do you want to tell us?
Yeah, it's been a long day just driving around. I really wasn't that impressed with the Hamilton property. The prices were pretty good, you know, but when you get out there and you look at what they were and what they're offering, it really wasn't that great. This particular community, there was no houses or any structures built yet. It was something that they said they started in October, so we're now in February. It's just about 2 months since the development started. And for me, it really wasn't what I was looking for, so I think we're just going to move on.
Yeah. Back to the Bandera property, probably.
Yeah, I really like the Bandera property, which just happens to be the first property that we saw during our most recent searching. It's a smaller piece of property, but it is on a river. It does have some like rocky landscape. It's got some nice views, and it's still within the price range that we want to be. So I think that's probably where we'll end up.
Okay, we'll catch you on the next video.